Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. 2 PCS smoke visor guards for car side mirrors, waterproof carbon fiber auto rain eyebrows for cars, trucks, and SUVs, universal fit, black. Material. Our car rearview mirror rain eyebrow is made of soft PVC plastic that is 100% soft and flexible. It will not break or deform easily and can meet your needs for a long time. Size. The size of this rearview guard eyebrow is about 7.28 by 2.17 inches. Appropriate size will prevent rain from falling on the rearview mirror without blocking your view. Full protection for your rearview mirror. Wide application. The side mirror rain guard can be widely applied in most kinds of cars and vehicles, like trucks, buses, tractors, SUVs, motorcycles and so on. Easy to install. The mixed adhesive is very sticky but does not leave marks. Please pay attention to clean the rearview mirror. Thanks for watching and subscribe.